Are you tired of staring at a standard crypto exchange interface, feeling like you're only scratching the surface of what's possible? Do you feel like you have the trading instincts, the market knowledge, but your tools are holding you back? If you've ever wanted to move beyond the simple buy and sell buttons and truly take control of your crypto trading, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the most powerful tool on the Gemini exchange, ActiveTrader. This isn't just a fancy skin, it's a high-performance trading platform designed for serious traders who demand speed, control, and deep market insights. We're going to break down every single feature, every chart, every advanced order type, and I'm going to show you how to use them to elevate your trading game from amateur to absolute pro. First things first, what is ActiveTrader? Think of it as the mission control for your crypto portfolio. It's where you have a full view of the market, with real-time data streaming directly to your screen. It gives you enhanced charting tools, a live order book with more depth than the standard interface, and a whole suite of advanced order types that allow for sophisticated trading strategies. And the best part? It comes with a dynamic, tiered fee schedule that rewards high-volume traders, meaning you can significantly reduce your trading costs. This is an essential first step for anyone looking to make a serious go of it. To get started, you'll need to enable ActiveTrader on your Gemini account. It's a simple process. Just log in, go to your account settings, and toggle the ActiveTrader interface on. Once you do, the screen will completely change, and you'll be greeted with a dashboard that looks a lot more like a professional trading terminal. Don't be intimidated. We're going to walk through each component step by step. Let's start with the heart of any trading platform, the charts. The standard Gemini interface gives you a basic line chart, which is fine for a quick glance, but ActiveTrader gives you full-blown, professional-grade charts from TradingView. This means you have access to every technical analysis tool you could ever need. You can switch between different time frames, from a 1-minute chart to a 1-month chart. You can overlay various indicators like moving averages, the Relative Strength Index or RSI, and Bollinger Bands. You can even draw trend lines, support and resistance levels, and Fibonacci retracements directly on the chart. Learning to read and use these charts is the foundation of becoming a pro trader. For example, let's talk about the moving average. A simple moving average, or SMA, smooths out price data over a period of time. When the short-term moving average crosses above the long-term moving average, that's often seen as a bullish signal, a golden cross. When it crosses below, that's a death cross, a bearish signal. With ActiveTrader, you can visualize these crossovers in real time. You can set up your charts to show a 50-period SMA and a 200-period SMA on a daily chart, and then use that visual information to help inform your long-term position. Next up, the order book. The standard Gemini view gives you a simplified look at the bid and ask prices. ActiveTrader provides a deep, live order book that shows you the full range of buy and sell orders at various price levels. This deep visibility is crucial because it allows you to see the real-time liquidity of a trading pair. You can see where the large buy walls and sell walls are forming, which can act as significant support and resistance levels. You can get a feel for market sentiment and anticipate potential price movements with a much higher degree of accuracy. The order book is a direct window into the minds of other traders. Now, let's get to the fun part, advanced order types. This is where you truly unlock the power of ActiveTrader and move beyond the basic market and limit orders. Of course, you still have those. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, and a limit order lets you set a specific price you want to buy or sell at. The genius of a limit order on ActiveTrader is that if it fills, you are a maker and you get a lower fee. If you use a market order, you are a taker and the fee is higher. This is a powerful incentive to use limit orders whenever possible. But there's so much more. Let's talk about stop orders. A stop-loss order is one of the most fundamental risk management tools in a trader's arsenal. You set a stop price, and if the market hits that price, your stop-loss order becomes a market order to sell. This helps you protect your capital by automatically cutting your losses. With ActiveTrader, you can place a stop limit order. This is a stop-loss order combined with a limit order. When the stop price is triggered, it doesn't become a market order, it becomes a limit order at a specified price. This gives you more control and can protect you from flash crashes where a market order might execute at a much lower, unfavorable price. Then there are more exotic, but equally powerful, order types. The immediate or cancel, or IOC, order is for when you only want a part of your order to fill immediately. Any unfilled portion is then canceled. This is great for high-frequency traders who want to execute as much as possible at a specific price, but don't want to wait for the rest to fill. The fill or kill, or FOK, order is even more aggressive. It demands that the entire order be filled immediately at the specified price or better, or it's canceled entirely. It's a powerful tool for a situation where you need to get a large position filled all at once and won't accept a partial fill. Let's put all of this into practice with a few common, professional-level trading strategies. First, let's talk about scalp trading. Scalping involves making dozens or even hundreds of trades a day, trying to capture small price movements. The goal isn't to make huge gains on any one trade, but to accumulate small profits over time. ActiveTrader is perfect for this because of its speed and low latency. You're watching the 1-minute chart, you see a small upward trend, you place a quick limit buy, and then you set a very tight stop loss and a take profit limit order. The fast execution and deep order book allow you to get in and out of positions with precision. Next, we have swing trading. Swing trading is a more medium-term strategy where you hold positions for a few days or weeks to profit from a market swing. With ActiveTrader, you would use the daily or 4-hour charts, looking for patterns like a head and shoulders or a cup and handle. You'd use indicators like MACD and the RSI to confirm your entry and exit points. For example, you might place a limit order to buy a token when its price approaches a key support level and the RSI shows it's oversold. Then set a stop loss just below that support and a take profit order at the next resistance level. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.